creating a mega warship in Animal Company, but it's really small, so it's more like a helicopter kinda. Alright, you're gonna need one of these bad boys. Stick that on. Next, you're gonna need see how that works. Alright. Next, you're gonna want to get another one for extra flying power. Then you got yourself something like this. And next, you're gonna want to drop that down, get some more goop. There you go, you got something like this. Then you're going to want to get 2 more goops out. And attach it to those thingies right there. Then you're going to want to get this. Just find it. Oh yeah, there it is. There you go. Now you got that. Next, you're gonna need 2 more. Let me just find it. And then you're gonna want these. So that way, when you start flying like this, and you see, ooh, an enemy. See how good that is? And now we're gonna add some more onto it. Take out a couple fans. Alright, let's add some more to it. This will be our aimers. Oop. see. Anyways, so once you got like an aimer, oop, start flying here. Oops, okay. Alright. And then aim wherever you want, just to warn the people you're about to shoot. Or if you don't want to, you don't have to, but now you got another way to fast travel. And that wraps up on how to make the Mega Warship. Bum bum bum. See ya. Peace.